see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be going for this bowl which is dropping for Supreme Week 14. There's honestly nothing that I really need besides the bowl, so that's exactly what we're going to be going for today. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap the like button on this one. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, do not forget about the giveaway that's currently going on where there's going to be 5 different Supreme winners. You guys should be seeing what you're gonna win right on the screen right now. Shit is looking pretty crazy. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my girl's channel, click the Gleam link and enter, and then you'll have the chance to win 5 items, which is crazy. I do want to say that today's video is sponsored by Aporo. They actually have been showing love to the channel lately, and I do want to give a major shout out to them because they do have a lit setup when it comes to all their pieces on their website. If you guys are interested, go ahead and click the link at the top of the description and use my promo code Astro10, but I will get a little bit into detail further in the video. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. It's 11 baby. So right now the drop should be happening any second. I got Addict.io running on my left side. This is going to be kind of difficult because I got to do multitask, but it still hasn't loaded on anything for me, thank God, because I was a little bit late. I was honestly scared that my Wi-Fi wasn't going to work. Yo, it still hasn't loaded on my computer. This shit is tragic, bro. Come on. It's sold out. You're fucking kidding me. How did it load as sold out? What the fuck? Yo, you're lying. It loaded as sold out for me. Like, what the f? I'm processing on Addict.io, but oh my gosh, this shit was nuts, bruh. It flew. Like, I didn't even get the chance to add it to my cart. Yo, what is going on, bruh? I don't even have the chance to add this shit to my cart. This is ridiculous, bruh. This is honestly the only piece that I really wanted this week, and it's looking like a shit show out here. It's not even adding. Like, normally I could at least add it to my cart. I can't even do that. This shit is crazy, bro. This might be the one week where I take a L, like a LL. That's nuts. Yeah, it's gone. It is gone, bro. Shit is crazy. The Zippo's still there. It actually did end up restocking. They dropped this waterproof case, but honestly, I don't even know if I want this shit. It's cool, but I don't know if I want to spend $60 on this right now. Shit is crazy, bro. Shit just came and went, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, that shit was disappointing to say the least. I'm like, yo, I'm confident this week I should be good. I'm not even gonna hit up Marco, bro. That was a mistake. This shit just disappeared on me. Like, so I do want to say that today's proud sponsor is Aporo Jewelry. They actually have been showing love to me lately. So the first thing I want to talk about is that when you go ahead and buy Aporo, you get this jewelry box which has like that bow and arrow, and it says Aporo on it on the front. When you open this, you typically have the card right here, which is like this pamphlet. In this, you have like the little warranties and everything like that, how to clean it. You should have a little dust bag, and you should also have a cleaning cloth. For this specific video, I'm going to be talking about the 10mm bracelet. This is one that I'm actually a huge fan of. I love the sizing on this. I just feel like it's great materials, and everything when it comes to Aporo brand is kind of like fine jewelry for a great price. This bracelet right here is like $129, which is not that bad if you think about it, because it will last you a while and it gives you that pop of color. I'm a huge fan of Aporo because they have great pricing, great quality. Normally when you pay a great price, you end up buying something that's not great in quality, and when it comes to Aporo brand, it's the complete opposite. Aporo actually has a 365-day warranty, so if you feel like there's crystals falling out, it's getting oxidized too much or something like that, you could definitely contact them and they will sort you out. You also do have a 30-day return policy where you do get your money back. If you don't have the full money to pay for these pieces, you can set them up on a payment plan, which is another alternative. They do have the best service, and actually they do offer free shipping as well. Aporo brand is definitely the best jewelry out there if you're trying to look spicy this summer. If we get off quarantine, everybody gonna be out in these streets, and you definitely want to be shining with some Aporo. So Aporo actually has really great weight to it. They have great craftsmanship, and I'm gonna show you guys B-roll of the way that these glisten. One of one. It doesn't compare to any other jewelry. The reason why I decided to go with this piece right here, which is the Cuban link in the 10mm, I believe size 8 or 9, is because it's a little bit more subtle. I typically like going for something that you can wear on a day-to-day basis, or you can wear to the club. Like, whatever way you're trying to freak it, it's there for you. So if you guys are interested, Aporo Aporo is having some crazy sales right now. Basically, if you spend $160 on their website, you get a free pendant, which is crazy. And if you think about it, use my promo code and you get a free chain, you're winning, bro. Like, it's the best time to go ahead and shop Aporo. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, slap a like on this one, subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, do not forget to click the Gleam link right under the Aporo link so you do enter our giveaway, which is running right now. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, my girl's channel, and you will have the chance to win 5 fire-ass Supreme items. But without any further ado, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.